Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Botti. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're talking about some first quarter updates in local search. Moz has an article on what's been happening, and we want to share a couple highlights that we think are particularly relevant for our listeners.
That's right, Donna. We've talked a lot about the importance of being on the map and showing up locally. And unfortunately, scammers want to appear there too. Google has been in an ongoing battle to root them out. The latest appears to be scammers hijacking Google's local service ads, causing legitimate businesses to disappear. It's a serious trust issue that Google needs to address.
And let's not forget those automated calls that tell you your Google listing is not verified. I was actually just talking to someone this morning who has a verified Google listing, but was concerned that something happened as she keeps getting calls that she isn't verified and she needs to fix it. Well, we've talked about this a while ago, but this scam is still around and active. So it's crucial to stay vigilant and never give out sensitive information over the phone. Remember, Google is not calling you, scammers are.
On a brighter note, Google is making it easier for businesses to remove third-party ordering services from their Google business profile. Many business owners were surprised to find their listing was updated with ordering services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and others that just take a hefty fee from their business. Businesses can now request removal via a link and manage the services they want to appear on their profile.
That's definitely a step in the right direction, Bob. The Google business profiles are constantly changing, and what Google gives, Google also takes away. They've had an option for a free one-page website built from your profile, and that feature was shut down last month. We weren't recommending that option, but a number of small businesses now find themselves without a website. The old site will redirect to the Google business profile until June 10th. We'll link some options for one-page sites if this affects you.
It wouldn't be 2024 if we didn't mention AI, and you may see an option to use AI to generate your business description in your Google business profile.
While that may be useful in some cases, Bob, it's still important for business owners to identify their audience and messaging and make sure the description is on target. The bottom line is to make sure that you're visiting and updating your Google business profile at least monthly to stay on top of changes that may affect your local search ranking.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find some links on this topic at delosinc.com/episode 339. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.